Certificate is awarded to Aries Gimbria C. Orque with a general average of 92% with honors. Same certificate is awarded to Joanna Ros A. Paad with a general average of 91% with honors. Same certificate is awarded to Britney B. Pasqua with a general average of 95% with high honors. Britney will also receive the Leadership Award during this school year 2020.